Welcome to Module 4, where we are focusing on the art and science of brand storytelling. To create a strong brand story, you must focus on why your business exists, rather than simply listing what it does. This approach is grounded in the idea that people don't buy what you do. They buy why you do it, a concept popularized by Simon Sinek. We use frameworks like the Golden Circle to help align your brand with your audience's values, ensuring that when you talk about your why and how, you are effectively communicating with feelings and addressing human behavior directly. Before we can build a narrative, we first need a hero. In the context of business storytelling, your customers are the hero and the central character, not the company itself. The character serves as the vital connection between you, the storyteller, and your audience. To establish this character effectively, we start with a buyer persona, which is a semi-fictional representation of your ideal buyer that helps you understand the goals and challenges they will face. For our purposes today, we will look at a specific persona named Anya Sharma, the aspiring urbanite. Anya is a university-educated young professional living in Toronto who values functionality and the Scandinavian design aesthetic but must operate within a budget. By understanding her demographics and psychographics, such as her desire for a stylish home without emptying her bank account, we can craft marketing angles that truly resonate. Now, let's look at how we structure this narrative using the hero's journey framework to map Anya's buyer journey. We begin in the ordinary world, where Anya lives in a small rented condo in Queen West that is functional but feels bland and lacks her personal touch. This represents the awareness stage, where she recognizes a need for change. However, she faces the refusal of the call, feeling overwhelmed by the potential cost and the effort required for assembly, wondering if she really has the energy to make this change. This leads her to the consideration stage, where she meets a mentor, in this case, her friend Liam, a seasoned IKEA enthusiast who offers tips and encouragement. With this support, Anya commits to crossing the threshold, making the decision to step into the massive blue box store and leaving her uninspiring ordinary world behind. Inside, she faces tests, allies, and enemies. Her tests include navigating the sprawling showroom and resisting impulse buys, while her allies are the helpful staff and online reviews. As she approaches the inmost cave, she focuses intently on her living room, narrowing down her choices for key pieces like sofas and coffee tables. The journey culminates in the ordeal, which is the physical act of purchasing, transporting, and the often daunting task of assembling flat-pack furniture back at her condo. Finally, we arrive at the reward, or seizing the sword. Anya successfully assembles her furniture, transforming her living room into a stylish, functional space that reflects her personality. This leads to the road back and her eventual resurrection, where she feels fully at home and confident enough to invite friends over, perhaps even becoming a mentor to others. By framing the buyer journey through this storytelling lens, you can see how a simple transaction becomes a transformative experience that fulfills the customer's initial desire. Understanding these needs and motivations is crucial for developing strategies that truly connect with your market. Thanks for watching, and keep this narrative structure in mind as you develop your own brand stories.